Welcome back to Learn Chess in Just 5 Minutes. In the previous episode, we saw movement of the king. In this episode, we will cover the knight's movement. Let us review the king's movement once again before we see the knight movement. White and black sides have only king. Let us observe closely how the king movement is handled by them. By now, you should have become more familiar with the king's movement. Let us move on to knight's movement now. Chess knight moves in L shape. Suppose you have a knight in E4 square, then the knight can move to any one of the dotted squares. Now, we will observe closely the knight movement. Observe how the knight goes back and forth, jumping over the squares. A knight can capture any of the opponent piece except the king when that piece is reachable by knight. The knight in the middle of the board has more reach than a knight which is in corner. A knight in corner has just 2 squares. The knight in the middle has more choices. Now a question for you. Can the D4 square knight move to C6 square? The answer is yes, it can move to C6 square. Can the knight on E7 square move to E5 square? No. It cannot move like that. It has to be L-shaped. Suppose you have to move the knight, which is on E7 square to E5 square, then you can reach there in 2 moves and not in 1 move. You can either reach from E7 to E5 via C6 square, or you can reach from 7 to E5 via G6 square.
And you now know the knight movement. Nice work.
See you once again in next episode. Bye for now.